Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake. First, gather all your essential ingredients, including flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. It's crucial that these are at room temperature for the best texture. Before you start mixing, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your oven is ready and at the correct temperature when your batter is prepared, leading to a perfectly baked cake. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter and 2 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 4 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition. Finally, gradually add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of milk, alternating between the two until just combined. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into a greased 9-inch round cake pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. The final step is the most fun: frosting. While your cake cools, prepare your favorite frosting, perhaps a rich buttercream or a tangy cream cheese frosting. Once the cake is completely cool to the touch, spread the frosting evenly over the top and sides using a spatula. Slice, serve, and enjoy your delicious homemade cake. Also, for easy meal prep solutions, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.